Our parents always told us growing up it is better to be safe than sorry. They said plan for the worst will keep you ahead of the game, whether it being bring another coat to the movies in case you get chilly or accompanying an extra first aid kit on a hike with some friends. This is advice also applicable in high school settings. Wilsonville High School is so much more than a high school. It is a community and extended family. Every staff member wants to see all their students succeed. They advise on how to obtain academic goals. But what about how to obtain survival skills? The staff not only have the responsibility in guiding the students to succeed in education, but they have the responsibility to protect them as well. The blunt reality of life is it's full of surprises, and no one truly knows it all. No one truly knows when life or death situations are going to happen. That is why it is so critical to be prepared for any circumstance. You may not always be able to prevent tragedies from occurring, but thanks to Stop the Bleed, it is now possible to be prepared for the worst. Stop the Bleed is a kit that helps students and staff members stay safe. It involves tools to help ones in need of medical attention that schools are able to take in their own hands and save lives. For it takes around 7 to 10 minutes for medical attention to arrive. But why waste any precious time when there's a Stop the Bleed kit nearby? Stop the Bleed should be mandatory kits supplied in schools. Not only should they be mandatory, but having the knowledge of how to utilize one should be obligatory as well. In this world, there are horrific mishaps that occur on no end. So, as sorrowful as it may feel, planning for the worst, you're also planning for the best. From being prepared due to Stop the Bleed, you are keeping many people safe and are able to walk away from an unfortunate event with no regrets of being sorry for losing a life.